Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to mark your audio beat drops in After Effects. First,
That's
import
Edward
your clip
Cohen.
and music.
Totally gorgeous, obviously. But apparently nobody here is good enough for him.
Now listen your music carefully.
Papi, contigo yo me envuelvo sin pero, sin pero. Contigo yo me voy a fuego. Dime qué es lo que
Press L button for waveform.
dime qué es lo que
After that, split music from where your music beat starts. Now decrease your music volume so your dialogues will hear carefully.
That's Edward Cohen. Totally gorgeous, obviously. But apparently nobody here is good enough for him.
After that, go beat drops part and click on convert audio. Press U. Now select both channels and open Graph Editor. After that, listen your music carefully. Now you can see highest peak spikes of music, so mark these spikes. Similarly, do remaining part of music. Listen and mark spikes. Now our audio beat drops mark done. After that, I sing video scenes with beat drops. Thanks for watching this. See you soon guys.
That's Edward Cohen. Totally gorgeous, obviously. But apparently nobody here is good enough for him.
dime qué es lo que